Meditation establishes a secure connection between our internal and external worlds. It awakens the body and benefits all aspects of the conscious and subconscious layers of the mind. Out of the numerous perks that meditation gives, a few are listed below. While you're on that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Ready? Let's begin with 1. Meditation enhances empathy. Loving kindness or compassion meditation fires neural connections to brain sites that regulate positive emotions like empathy and kindness. The deep state of flow that meditation induces builds social connectedness and makes us more affectionate and amicable as a person. 2. Meditation improves cognition. Researchers agree that an excellent way for professionals to increase the likelihood of success is to keep meditation practice as a part of their daily routine. Studies have revealed that both transcendent and mindful meditation practices improve the brain's problem-solving and decision-making strategies, which can bring a desirable shift in our professional life. 3. Meditation is a natural stress stabilizer. Stress is the body's response to unforeseen adversities. Encountering immediate threats increase the level of cortisol, or stress hormone in the body, and activates the autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for fight or flight responses. Brain studies of regular meditators revealed that they have lower cortisol levels in their brains, which explains their resilience and insightful nature. 4. Meditation promotes emotional health and well-being. Studies have shown that meditation improves self-image and self-worth. When we meditate, we get a clear picture of our mind and become aware of the thoughts that drive our emotions and actions at the moment. A large-scale study found that regular meditation decreases the likelihood of developing depression and mood-related disorders. Besides some forms of meditative practices which also promoted positive thinking, as researchers stated, and could improve the overall emotional health of an individual. 5. Meditation increases attention by inducing a state of flow. Have you noticed how meditation absorbs you into the moment? Mindful awareness comes naturally to us when we meditate, and we reach a flow state where our mind is in complete harmony with itself. A study on the effects of an 8-week mindful meditation course found that people who are regular meditation practitioners had heightened attention and concentration span. The bottom line: meditation is something everyone can do to improve their mental and emotional health. You can do it anywhere, without special equipment or memberships. Alternatively, meditation courses and support groups are widely available. There's a great variety of styles too, each with different strengths and benefits. Trying out a style of mediation suited to your goals is a great way to improve your quality of life, even if you only have a few minutes to do it each day. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post quality content daily. See you tomorrow and stay curious.